Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned tuna. First, open your can of tuna and drain it completely. This step is crucial for the best texture. Next, transfer the tuna into a bowl. Now, add about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. This forms the creamy base for our delicious tuna. Mix these ingredients well until everything is combined. This simple start ensures a perfect foundation for your meal. To elevate the flavor, let's add some finely diced celery. About 1/4 cup will give a nice crunch. Next, incorporate 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. It adds a wonderful tang that complements the tuna perfectly. Don't forget to season with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Stir everything together until all ingredients are evenly distributed. This combination creates a balanced and flavorful tuna salad. Now that your tuna is perfectly prepared, let's talk about serving. A classic choice is to spread it generously on 2 slices of toasted bread for a satisfying sandwich. For a lighter option, it pairs wonderfully with crackers, making a quick and easy snack. You can also use it as a delicious, protein-rich topping for a fresh green salad. The possibilities are truly endless for enjoying this versatile dish. For any leftovers, make sure to store your tuna salad in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and delicious for up to 3 days, perfect for meal prepping. Always refrigerate promptly to maintain its quality and safety. And speaking of keeping things fresh and clean, check out the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to upgrade your home cleaning routine effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.